Meet Alex, a developer who just deployed a new app and can't afford downtime. Seconds later, SIOPS starts pinging every server in site 24/7 without a break. A router fails, SIOPS detects the outage instantly and turns the dashboard red. Before customers notice, Alex receives a push alert, an email, and a loud alarm on his phone. He fixes the issue in minutes, flips the status back to green, and keeps his uptime promise. With SIOPS watching your servers, you are always the first to know when something goes wrong.